Ben Vindhyao Damoh. Daman, the perfect blend of sun, sand, and sea, is your calming weekend escape if you're living in Gujarat or Mumbai. Dive in to know more about this place that's been ruled by the Portuguese for more than 400 years until 19 December 1961. The Union Territory of Daman and Diu comprises of two districts, namely Daman and Diu. Both these districts are located on the western coast of India and are about 700 kilometers apart. While Daman is the mainland and the headquarters, Diu is a small island. Post the colonial times, the structures built during the Portuguese era have become the heritage sites of this territory. The Moti Daman Fort is one of the most significant tourist spots, sprawling over an area of about 30,000 square meters. The ancient fort is famous for housing a large number of cannons. It is also famous for the Church of Bom Jesus, the Chapel of Our Lady of Rosary, and the Church of Our Lady of Remedies. The fort was built with an aim to protect the Portuguese against invasion by the Mughal army in 1559. Moti Daman Fort also houses two beautiful lighthouses that stand as a testament to Daman's rich Portuguese heritage. These are popularly known as the Old Lighthouse and the New Lighthouse. While the old one was built by the Portuguese, the Indian government constructed the new lighthouse. Well, this gem in the fort with bare and lofty walls is the convent of the Dominican that was built in 1567 AD. Originally, it had an altar, prayer hall, and dormitories. इतना घूम के थक गए होगे ना? Don't worry, Backyard Cafe is there to back you up. This picture-perfect place has a wide variety of food and drinks. Well, I sipped in Ice Mocha and ate delicious chicken grill sandwiches. So Moti Daman Fort के अंदर ही there is a small town जहाँ पे light houses हैं, churches, chapels, hospitals, schools, government buildings, and एक cute सा aesthetically sound cafe है. So it's like a small town that we used to see in our childhood in cartoons. ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. So ये जो अभी तक आपने देखा, this was Moti Daman, and now we'll head towards Nani Daman. Also called the Fort of Saint Jerome, Nani Daman is situated on the bank of Daman Ganga River. It is a small fort with high and elegant stone walls, 3 bastions, and 2 huge gateways. Spread over an area of about 12,250 square meters, the fort boasts 2 magnificent human figurines. Deriving its name from Saint Jerome of the Catholic order, the fort is home to a splendid statue of the saint at the front gate and houses a Catholic church of Our Lady of the Sea that is known for its refined paneling. Right outside the Nani Daman Fort is an old and really famous shop called Jetty Rolls. Daman आया और Jetty Roll नहीं खाया तो फिर क्या किया? Let me now take you to Dubai market. यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. But what this market is really famous for is its chocolates from around the world. So you can grab whichever chocolate you like from around the world over here in this market. Well, I have filled this bag with chocolates and candies from this market. You also come and do visit this market the next time you're in Daman. And now for the part for which I'm here. Beaches. Daman has two beautiful and so soothing beaches, Devka and Jampur. Both these beaches will surprise you with their serenity. From taking a long stroll on the beach or just feeling the cool breeze hit your face, or enjoying a camel or horse ride, or getting a new hairstyle, to purchasing wristbands of your name by these pretty faces from Rajasthan. These beaches have an enriching experience for you. These beaches also have water sports activities that are currently shut because of the high tide. But you can enjoy Maggie, corn, coconut water, and tea that you'll find on the stalls right beside the beach. How can someone miss Veere the Dhaba when in Daman? A visit to this Punjabi restaurant is more than just a meal. It's an exploration of culture, flavor, and tradition. It's a journey that takes you to the heart of Punjab. Do try the speciality of Daman wherever you go. The star of the district, Cromford Fish. This is how I spent 2 days in Daman. You too should visit Daman because this place feels like an animated film set. Has people who are extra sweet and they still speak Portuguese. And if you're a beach person like me, vejo vai sempre ver meus.